Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So before we get into this video, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you are following me on my Instagram page at _SUNKISSEDCURLS. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a really quick and easy, my go-to look. It's like a natural look. I don't really wear too much makeup, or I don't really know how to do too much with my eyeshadow either, so everything is pretty simple and easy. So hopefully it's easy for you guys to follow along. For the most part, most of these products are affordable, and if not, I'll recommend some products that you can kind of like swap out for it. That will also do the job as well. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So to moisturize my face, I'm gonna go in with my Clarifying Tea Tree Beauty Oil, and this has vitamin E in it. Now, I've been using this for a while now. I found it at, where's that? TJ Maxx, and it helps a lot with my acne. Not that I suffer from it a lot, but sometimes I do get breakouts, and I feel like this really did help. So I'm just gonna take some drops and apply that to my face. Now that I've applied that, I'm gonna go in with the Face by Camille Rose, and I actually won this at that same event. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit. You only need a little bit because this thing is freaking, it covers a lot with just a little bit. All right, so I also do not know like really how I'm supposed to be going in steps. I just know I moisturize first, and then I'm gonna go in with the corrector. I think sometimes I use a primer and sometimes I don't. I know I should be using one, but I ran out of my Fenty Beauty, so yeah, there ain't nothing in there. So I'm going to be using the Benefit, the Pore Professional. I'm just gonna use like a little bit of that because I doubt there's that much in here. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder to apply before I put my foundation on. I learned this from Jackie Aina. It helps with your oiliness, so wherever are the areas that you get oily a lot, you can apply that to that area, and it helps, in my opinion, your makeup last a lot longer and go on smoother. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my corrector, and this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Orange. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that to my dark spots. I'm breaking out a little bit. Normally when I'm on my cycle, I tend to break out a lot. Other than that, like I don't really break out that much. But it's always when I'm on my cycle that I break out a lot. So, and I'm just gonna use this brush to blend it out. All the makeup gurus are probably like, what are you doing? But this works for me, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 420, and this is their Pro Filter foundation. I'm just gonna apply like a little bit. And I'm gonna use that same brush, and this is the e.l.f. powder brush, by the way. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Dark 46. And I'm just gonna apply that to my under eyes. I'm gonna get my little beauty blender. I'm gonna dampen it and then just blend. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. And I'm gonna be using the NYX Microbrow pencil in the shade Espresso. All right, so now that that's done, sometimes I use concealer underneath it, sometimes I don't, since this is like a natural makeup look. So next I'm gonna go in with that same powder, which is the LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade Banana Yellow. I'm gonna take that beauty blender that I used to blend out that concealer and then just put that underneath my eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is in the shade Medium to Dark. I'm gonna take my brush, and this is from Eco Tools, I believe. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take the sculpt and the contour and just like lightly, because it's supposed to be like a natural look, just lightly go over and contour a little bit. Like my eyeshadow, I don't really do too much. If you guys would like to see me do like a more elaborate eye look, then let me know. But I just, for the most part, I don't really go that many places, so I just keep it like natural. And I'm just gonna take the Kano from the Warrior palette by Juvias, and I'm just gonna apply some of that on my lid. And then if I want like a little, just a little bit, I'll take this right here, the Idea, and just apply like a little bit of shimmer. For my highlight, I'm gonna go in with, which one do I wanna use? I normally like mix these three together to do a highlight, but sometimes I just use that same powder that I use for my eyelid, just put like a little bit on my nose, and then a little bit here. Go ahead and set my face using the NYX Dewy finish. I'm just gonna spray that all over my face. I'm actually gonna pat it in with a sponge. Then I'm gonna go in with the Better Than Sex mascara. Finish it, I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on that I got actually from Express. And this is just like a clear lip gloss. So this is the finished makeup look. Pretty simple, basic, cute, just a little natural look for you guys that's easy. It only took me like 20 minutes to do this, and that's because I was recording. But yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see like more makeup looks or skincare routines, because I'm happy to expand from the hair thing we got going here. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave some comments in the section down below of maybe future looks you would like me to try, or try to recreate some looks. That could be fun. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.